Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be joining you guys today because I am going to be using some Faux Loc crochet braids, and we're actually going to make our very own DIY drawstring ponytail. No need to buy one in the store. You can make your own and customize it just for yourself. I actually got this hair off of Amazon, and ZRQ sent it to me to review and style. So I'm so grateful that we were able to collaborate together. Of course, all the details will be down in the description below, but let's go ahead and jump into the video so we can learn how to create this cute and fun style. First, let's take a look at the hair. It came in this really cute pink nylon drawstring bag, which you can definitely use for other things, and this was very unique. Never seen hair come in a package like this. But there are 6 cellophane bags of hair in each package, and this hair is 24 inches long. It also comes in 36 inches long, and today I got it in color 1B. This has a great loop for crocheting as well as a very lightweight feel that has a flexible bend to it, which is great. Lots of kinks and crooks in this hair, which gives you a natural look plus a nice end. Your entire order will come with 6 cellophane bags with 21 locks each, some gold and silver hair jewels, as well as a crochet hook. I'm going to be using this mannequin holder, which I got from my local beauty supply store, which has a clamp device so that you can clamp it to the edge of your table as you make your drawstring ponytail. And also this is going to have a attachment device which will allow you to direct your mannequin in the appropriate position as you're creating your ponytail. And it'll insert right in the bottom of your mannequin. I'm also going to be using these mesh drawstring ponytail holders that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. As you can see, it is a mesh material that has a little bit of stretch as well as this drawstring attachment so that it can really cinch it in around your real hair. It also comes with combs which you will be able to sew in and attach, just like this. You'll also need some weaving needles and thread. I love the curved needle, as well as some T-pins or sewing needles. So first things first, we are going to attach our thread to our needle and create a knot on the end to secure everything. And now we're ready to actually cut this end off so it's not as long and attach the mesh drawstring ponytail to our mannequin head with our T-pins and our needles, making sure that it is upside down, so raw edge up. So I'm going to stick the needle through the top portion of the comb, and then we're going to attach the comb to the edge of the mesh. And you want to make sure that that's the opposite side of where the drawstring pull mechanism is. You're going to continue to weave through the mesh and through the top of the comb all the way across, making sure not to hit the actual drawstring cord, just the mesh. And we're going to repeat this same process on the opposite section right below it for an additional comb. I'm just tying off the end to make sure everything is secure. I'm starting off with the knotted end to my thread again, but before we move forward, make sure to flip over your drawstring mesh net to the right side as you begin to apply your hair. Your combs are always going to be on the underside of your ponytail. So first I find the loop of our hair and I stick my weaving needle through. Then I'm going to insert the end of my needle right on the edge of the mesh, going through about 1 or 2 holes, and then I'm going to stick my needle through the end of my knotted thread, pulling it all the way through, creating a loop knot here so that I can secure my first piece of hair. Now I am going to go back through that loop again of the crochet hair just to make sure that it's secure, going through the mesh and through the loop one more time before I move on. We're going to repeat this process again, sticking the needle through the loop of the hair. Then we're going to take our needle going through a couple of sections of the mesh, pulling it tautly, and then sticking our needle through the loop of the hair one more time to secure it. Here is a close-up of how to connect your crochet hair to your mesh ponytail base, and you're going to want to continue this around the entire perimeter of the mesh. Now mine are really close, but I did realize down the road that they did not have to be this tight, and here I'm just tying off my thread. So next here I'm just going in with a lip liner, giving myself just some guidance as to where I want to put each row of the crochet hair. Again, you will need to vary how close things are based upon the thickness of your hair and the look that you're going for with your ponytail. I have completed the entire perimeter and even the first row. So now I'm going to show you how to create your rows to fill in your ponytail. So you want to remember to use your lipstick line as a guide as you go across. And the key to this is making sure that you skip some of the holes as you insert your crochet hair. So in between each crochet hair, I skipped about 4 to 6 spaces so that this ponytail is not too bulky but perfect. Here's a close-up for you of how I manage my spacing. The ponytail is complete. The crochet locks have room to breathe, and we are going to have a great looking ponytail when we cinch everything in. Now on to my real hair. I'm using Murray's Edge Wax as well as some jam and some wet line for the back. You'll also need some clips, ponytail holders, as well as a comb and brush of your choice. So I'm starting off with a part from ear to ear on some old hair. I'm going to do a part kind of off-centered here. We're going to have one big braid in the center, and we're going to have some partnering braids on the left and the right. I'll be putting some Murray's Edge Wax as well as jam around the perimeter of all of my braided parts, and I'm going to smooth that in a second time with my edge brush. Now I'm going to do a French braid right in the center here. Here is divided into 3 pieces, and I'm slowly grabbing additional pieces as I go to the center crown of my head. For ease of removal, I ended in a 2-strand twist. Now here is one side complete, and I am going to replicate that on the opposite side. Again, this is a 3-strand French braid all the way to the center point of my head. Now that the braids in the front are complete, I'm going to combine them into one ponytail at the top of my head, and then I'm going to mist the back with some water and add some wet lime gel, brush it up into a nice smooth ponytail, and create a second ponytail right below our braided ponytail. I'm using smaller ponytail holders to secure my 2 buns. I'm going to give one final brush to my kitchen, and then I'm going to throw on a scarf to set everything in place until the gel has dried. Here we are the next morning, scarf off, and we are taking a look at this 24-inch ponytail we created. So it's looking good and very realistic. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert the comb right at the very top of the ponytail there in that center braid, which is gonna be an anchor braid for us. So secure the comb right in the top center as you see here, slide that in. And I'm also going to take the comb that we installed in the bottom and put that right below the base of that second ponytail that we have. Once your ponytail is secure with your combs, you're going to find your drawstring. You're going to slide it down to really pull it nice and taut around your two double buns, and then wrap the elastic in around your hair and pin it down. I'm using some of these open face bobby pins, as you can see. Now I'm going to take about 3 locks and wrap it around the base, and this is going to kind of make sure that all of your locks are in the right location so that you don't see any of the gaps in the ponytail itself. So here's the final look, 24 inches. This is long, y'all. So if you're looking for long hair, this is for you. But this is what it looks like just down in the ponytail. And you can divide it into 2 pieces and do a jumbo twist. I'm just pulling the straight ends down to make sure that it's secure and ending it with a smaller ponytail holder. That's a cute look. Or we can divide the hair into 3 pieces and do a standard chunky braid. As you can see here, that's a very pretty look as well, and I'm going to secure it with the hair tie. But you just have so much versatility. You can put your ponytail actually more to the side of your head if you want it to cascade to the side. Tons of options. And for our third style, I've taken a third of the hair out. I'm going to twist it around and make a bun and secure it with the hair tie. And then I'm going to take another third of the hair, and I'm just going to twist it around again and make myself a second bun kind of right below that, and I'm going to secure that with a hair tie as well. And then for the third part, twist it up again. I'm going to do the same thing with the third section and secure it with a hair tie. Now for finishing touches, we're going to take all these stray ends and stray pieces and secure them with bobby pins, or even the open-ended bobby pins, which are really good for these thick locks. So anywhere I see a piece hanging down, I just pin it. If I'm not really liking the location of something, I'm just re-securing it until we get our final look. Y'all, I was really excited to get this look from just this one ponytail. I think this is a great updo. It's off your neck, but it looks great. Hope you guys enjoyed all the various styles we created. Also, before you leave, check out some of my other videos where I also do some variations of crochet hairstyles. And as always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell so you know every single time I post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.